What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here with the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. We pick cool Rustoleum colors, pearls and flakes. We shoot them over top and then we decide, do we love it, do we hate it? 1 through 5. 1, you don't care. 5 is the greatest thing, and you can rate it anywhere in between. Today I've got another one of those sea Colorshift pearls I've been showing you guys, the ones you can buy in bulk and do a whole car with. This one today is called Rosa Champagne. It's like a lot like if you saw the champagne color shift that I've done in the past over some reds and cool different spray outs. It's got some pinks, looks like some yellows. I'm not quite sure, but we've got true Rustoleum colors today. We've got gloss black and thundercloud gray. Really cool go-to color for spraying a pearl like this over top of. Got my fender print up behind. We're going to two-tone it with Rustoleum colors, and then we're going to shoot some of this Rosa Champagne pearl over top of it in my Speedo coat and see, is it worth going full scale? Let's get into it. So I got my two Rustoleum colors sprayed down behind me. I'm using my Speedo coat clear today. It mixes 4 to 1, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator. It's about 85 degrees, a little on the warm side, but we're going to get through today's video. You got 4 ounces of clear, putting in 1 ounce of hardener. That'll get that, so you just got to make sure you mix it up really good. And then we're going to step over to this Rosa Colorshift Champagne Pearl. Now, if you know me, guys, I love Colorshift pearls, and I love Colorshift pearls with a lot of gold and, you know, anything else really. But as far as the mix goes today, I had pretty good success with the last video where we did the Fire Phoenix. So I think I'm going to go for pretty much the same results today. I'm going to try and see if I can't get in about 3/4 of a teaspoon. That looks about good. Maybe just a little bit more, just for a good effect, into this 5 ounces of clear. And oh yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so Rosa Colorshift. First and foremost, there's the spoon. If you can see it, it's got a lot of little pink shimmers, and it's a primarily gold pearl. And there it is in the mix. Like I said, you can see that gold and that pink at the right angle, and let's get to mixing it. Yeah, I got a feeling this is going to be a whole lot like that champagne Colorshift that's so popular. And what's really cool about this is, like I said, you can go full scale. It's about half the price for 50 grams of this stuff as it would be for the more expensive suppliers out there. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, I see pinks, I see golds, I see yellows, I see all kinds of stuff in this mix. So I'm excited. Let's load up our V4 gun and let's get to spraying this. Alright guys, so I got this crazy new pearl loaded up in my V4 gun. It's a 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI if you want to replicate the settings. That's wide open trigger. I'm going to do a light coat on this first as usual, followed up by 2 or 3 heavier coats, and yeah, we're going to see what kind of effect we can get. Let's get our mask on and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so Rosa color shift. Now this is a very interesting color shift. I've seen golds, purples, pinks, greens. Look at that shift. Wow. And even on the lighter color, the thunder gray. Man, look at that hue. That is beautiful. Man, this is a crazy color shift and very pretty. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. A Rosa color shift over Thundercloud Gray and Gloss Black. My go-to color for every color shift, and I think you know why. Man, this color shift is a wild one, guys. And I predict it to be like the other champagne color shift, which is, I think it's a white particle color shift. No, actually it's a solid pearl. Same as this one. But this one you can actually buy in bulk if you want to paint your whole car with it. And this on a whole car, well, I ain't even got to say it, but you guys can say it in the comments. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and y'all guys can rate it anywhere in between. If you like the spray out that did today, if you want to buy pearls, clear, the gun, anything you saw me use today, links are in the description. And if you can't find it there, ask it on YouTube. That takes you to my Amazon store. You can find everything there. We get a small kickback, but you guys get all the benefits of Prime and everything else, and it doesn't cost you guys anything extra when you buy it from me. If you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button. We are growing and trying to grow as fast as we can. Many different series going on now, guys. Really exciting one coming up. It might have already started by now, but I think it's going to be a really good one. Regardless, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. We're going to keep rolling on. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.